Hi students, I am your tutor Syed. Welcome back to the session. In today's session, we'll try to take one example. Let's get started. The question is if vector f is equals to 3x square plus 6y into I minus 14yz into j plus 20xz square into k, evaluate the integral vector f dot dr vector from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve given by x is equals to t, y is equals to t square, z is equals to t cube. So we have to evaluate this particular integral. So what is given over here? Vector f is given. So vector f is nothing but 3x square plus 6y into I minus 14yz into j plus 20x z square into k. And what is dr vector? Dr vector is nothing but dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into k. Now if I try to take this integral vector f dot dr vector, so let us write down vector f. So vector f is nothing but 3x square plus 6y into I minus 14 yz into j plus 20x z square into k. Then we have the dot product with dr vector. So dr vector is nothing but dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into k. Now since we are having dot product, I dot I will be 1, j dot j will be 1, k dot k will be 1. So let us start with I dot I. So this I dot I will be 1. So therefore you just have 3x square plus 6y. I dot I will be 1. So this integral will remain as it is. I dot I is 1 into dx will be getting. Then again j dot j will be 1. So this j dot j will be 1. So you'll be left out with minus into plus will be minus 14 yz into dy. Then you'll be having k dot k will be equals to 1. This k dot k will be 1. So therefore you'll be having plus 20x z square into dz. But if you try to observe in the question, the value of x, y and z are given in the form of t. So I have to express this integral completely in the form of t. So let us try to see what is given to us. Given to us the value of x is equals to t, the value of y is equals to t square, and the value of z will be equals to t cube. Let us try to differentiate this one. Derivative of x will be dx is equals to derivative of t will be dt. Then derivative of y will be dy is equals to t square differentiation will be 2t into derivative of t will be dt. Then derivative of z will be dz. T cube differentiation will be 3t square into dt. Further it is given that this integral varies from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. That means it is the value of t which is, now these are the values of x and y which are varying. So if the value of x is 0, then the value of t is also 0. Suppose if the value of x is 1, the value of t will be 1. Therefore, the value of t will be ranging from 0 to 1. So now if you just try to plug in these values back over here in this vector f dot dr. So let me take this as equation number 1. So therefore we'll be having integral vector f dot dr vector is equals to, let us try to plug in 3 into x value will be t, so t square. So x value will be t, so t square plus 6 times of y value is also t square times of you have dx value is dt minus 14 into y value is t square into z value is t cube into dy it is this dy value is 2t dt plus 20 times of x value is t, z value is t cube. So it is z square. So t cube square into dz, this particular value. dz will be 3t square into dt. So we need to integrate this one. What is the integral? T value is running from 0 to 1. Let us further simplify this one. This will be equals to integral t is equals to 0 to 1. So it is 3 plus 6 will be 9. So 9t square. 9t square into dt minus. Let us try to multiply this one. This is 14 times of 2, 28. It is t square. T cube is t power of 5 plus t power of 1. That is t power of 6 into dt plus, again over here is 20 times of 3 is 60. And this is over here, you are having this as t, this is t cube whole square. So 3 times of 2 will give you 6. That is t power of 6. And here you are having t square. So when you try to see when the bases are the same, powers can be added. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 will be 9. So therefore we'll be getting t power of 9 times of dt. Now let us try to integrate each of the terms. So 9 is constant. Integration of t square will be t cube by 3. So the limit value will be from t is equals to 0 to 1 minus 28. T power of 6 will be t power of 7 by 7. Limit value will be t is equals to 0 to 1 plus 60. So t power of 9 will be t power of 10 by 10. And limit values will be t is equals to 0 to 1. Now let us try to apply the upper and lower limit values over here. Before that, we'll try to cancel. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. It is 10. 6 are 60. So this will be equals to 3 times of, apply the upper limit value for t will be 1. 1 cube is 1. Lower limit value will be 0 minus 4 times of, upper limit value is 1, 1 power of 7 will be 1 minus lower limit value will be 0 plus 6 times of, upper limit value for t will be 1 minus lower limit value will be 0. So 3 times of 1 will be 3 minus 4 times of 1 will be 4 plus 6. Or further, if you try to simplify this one, it is 6 plus 3 will be 9 minus of 4. So that is nothing but 5. So the value of this integral vector f dot dr vector will be equals to 5. So that's the required solution. So the question was to evaluate integral vector f dot dr, and hence we have evaluated the value of the integral to be equals to 5. So that's the final solution. That's all I have for today. Meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice time.